Coffee break ko siya Oh, my head hurts. I just woke up. My Wi-Fi yesterday got cut off. It's back now. Don't know why it got cut off in the first place. Ito. Coffee. I shall drink coffee as I see fit. Where's the... Oh, there's... not scissors back. Let me grab this one. Put that into the mug. Okay, now let's grab the hot water and pour it over my coffee. Bad news, the water is not as hot as I thought it was. More of that warm water, lukewarm water. Just hang on a second, I haven't set up my stuff yet. Increase the font size of this thing. Lower this. Now we're back here. So yeah, yesterday what I did off cam, thanks to the Wi-Fi disappearing all of a sudden, is that I fixed some of the examples, and threading is a little less messed up. So yeah, it's perfectly fine. The interpreter still segfaults though when it tries to resolve still running code threads. I mean, just hang on a second. Why is it so warm in the Philippines? The heat makes me want to go sleep forever. Weakens me. Now that's good coffee. I feel so sleepy. I slept like 3 a.m. last night, binge watching Monster, and I woke up like around 8:30 a.m. That's 5 hours of 5 hours of sleep. Jokes on y'all, I can function in less than 6 hours of sleep. I can function in an hour of sleep. Yeah, there were times where my sleep schedule was so messed up, I only used to sleep for an hour a day. Though it would probably be notable that I drank energy drinks like half of the time like they were water. So that's probably how I got around with sleeping an hour a day. Yeah, school is meh. I hate Philippine schools, dude. I could learn more by going to the internet more than actually going to school. My CSS teacher, because I am a CSS major, well, mid. Not a good teacher at all. He knows some stuff, but that's about it. Not a good teacher at all. Being a smart teacher and being a good teacher is two different things. If you're both, that's good. But if you're only one of those, well, that's where starts where things start to get messy. Because if you're only smart, then you're not a good teacher. Good trade-off though. But if you're a good teacher but you're not smart, well, yeah. And my CSS teacher is just, it's not even smart, just knowledgeable of the things that he did. He knows, but not smart as in being able to actually teach good. Yeah, it's annoying. His examples are older than me. We used like a system unit, a PC that I think was still floppy compatible, floppy drive compatible. Used the, what was it? The IDE cable? Yeah, it still uses IDE cables. If I'm correct, modern ones use SATA. Yeah, I mean, the PC we used had the CD drive in place for the floppy disk. Saying that says a lot about how he knows things. Anyways, yeah, I'm very proud of this. By the way, the only problem is this doesn't work for yeah, higher. It might roll back when it passes 12 because it doesn't consider AM and PM. And this just shows minutes, so hours actually. It would roll back every hour or so. Hopefully it doesn't last that long. Speaking of lasting that long, there is still no one watching. Well, it is 10 a.m. in the Philippines, and it's 10 p.m. in New York. I have widgets. What's this? What? There's widgets now? Anyways. I can't add more clocks? Okay. That's cool. Mm-hmm. That's cool. Oh, where's the ad though? Oh, I don't need that. So, okay. So, um, let's say, what's Texas? Nope. Nope. Washington. Nope. This seriously? Why? Oh, why is it? What's the ET? This is GMT. Japan, because why not? Tokyo. Japan. Add. Home. Berlin. Deutsch. Deutschland. Deutschland. It should. Can I can't. You. How can I okay. Manage widgets. You. I guess it's cool. No. Okay. Where's the weather? I don't see the weather. Anyway. Oh, I don't have okay. That should be good enough. Oh wait. Chatto. Manage what's this? Can I like go home? Just a second. Downloads. No, I don't have it. Oh, here it is. There we go. It's cool. Oh, there's the there we go. Now let's go. Oh, whoops. Let's go finally do stuff. So now we've added ways for libraries to initialize themselves. The problem is it's not handled by a signal handler. So what happens is yeah, I need to oh. What? Why? That's a bad. I see. Oh, that's not a good. Hmm. What? Seriously? Windows? What the hell? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this doesn't work for Android. This is why I don't use pthread kill in MiLa's threads, because yeah, we need Android support, because why not? And Google does not implement this in its pthread implementation, I think. Pthread kill. I don't think. Oh, it does. Kill zeros. Commenting meter and rate indicator. It prefers error checking, but does not actually send a signal. Killing thread while you can use pthread to foster mutation in field servers, you can highly discourage calls. Yeah. So yeah, we just use cancel. Yep, there it is. Oh, yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, it doesn't support pthread kill. Oh, pthread cancel too. Oh, that's... wait. I don't think we use... Dupis ISO scheiße, but it did work then. Or do we use a flag? I think we use flags instead of actually canceling the thread. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, where's... Uh, 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 here's cancel. Yeah, we don't actually call pthread cancel or pthread kill. We literally just go do this. And then we wait for the thread to join. And then the thread must manually check the cancel flag. Here it is. Bad thing is that we don't check this. Oh, actually this is for the yeah, the generator stuff. Gotcha. What? What? Eh? 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 So anyways, okay. I see. Uh-huh. Temporary signal masking. You can tell oh, that's cool. How Unix is by defining a sig set to mask in struct sig action block. If a user handles sig in, they can add sig quit and sig term to the mask. The kernel will safely queue those signals and hold them back until the current sig in handler completes execution. Windows limitation. Windows cannot block other asynchronous events or signals while console handler pthread is processing an alert. If a second interrupt triggers, it simply spins up another thread concurrently, increasing range hardware. Seriously, Windows? Rich event metadata. Yep. Unix allows a signal handler to inspect the exact stated origin of the incoming signal via the SA sig info flag. I don't like that. Ah, how Unix does it? Instead of passing a single integer to the handler, Unix passes a populated sig info T structure. The structure explicitly details SIPID, okay, SIUID, nice, SI code, the precise reason the signal was stripped, distinguishing whether a sig FPE. Oh, Windows limitation. Windows handler registered via set console control handler or signal receives nothing but a bare integer representing the signal code. You have no native way to discover which process initiated the event. Nice, Windows. Interrupted system call control. SA restart. When a signal hits a thread that is blocked on a slow system call, like reading a socket read or sleep, Unix allows you to choose how the OS recovers. If you do not set the SA restart flag, the block system call fails immediately, returning an error code of interrupt something. Error interrupt. This allows you to break out of blocking loops safely. If you do not set SA restart, if you do set SA restart, the kernel automatically resumes the interrupted system call behind the scenes once your handler returns, preventing your core application logic from crashing or erroring out. Well, that's cool. Windows limitation. Windows handles asynchronous thread signaling independently of standard I/O operations, meaning you cannot natively orchestrate system call restarts or structured error interrupt failures via signal states. Process-wide masking. Unix lets a process dynamically toggle its global signal and reception state at any moment during normal execution using sigproc mask. How Unix does it? You can declare a critical section of your code by masking out signals entirely before you're processing sensitive data, then unmasking them immediately afterward. Oh. Damn. Oh, we can actually. Oh. This is good. Code architecture. Sig action versus Windows signal. The practical layout shows how Unix exposes configuration options that Windows completely ignores. Okay. Your mask. Block secret while running. Get metadata and auto restart syscalls. Oh, that's cool. And then bind to kernel. Set your function binding on. Okay. So I would. Okay. For. Yeah, it's like 1600 pointer. Mister, I doubt that someone. Oh, someone was watching, and they disappeared. Oh, oh. I can't scroll sideways. It's weird. Yes. Boop. There we go. There is. Yep. There is another person there. Sad. Uh, so let's see. If I'll tell you atomic. Okay. So. Eh. So this is for Windows, isn't it? Yep. Why? Oh yeah, I forgot. This becomes a thread. Great. The word FDW control type. Okay, Windows thread interrupted. Initiating response. Shut down. Keep running false. Return true. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Set up signal handlers if native win handler instead of zero and type signal. Okay, and then the Unix one is below here. Oh, that's cool. So this is what we get: signum, and then the info, and then the context. Oh, printf is, but here it's used for demonstration. In production code, you should just toggle the flag or use write. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'll check what version of printf is async safe. Set up signal handler. Let's see, quit. So this is our advanced handler. Use the application call. Gotcha. You can get the PID. Let's see. Oh, what? Okay. What? No way. What? can just do that. Oh yeah, you use underscore exit for that. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Whoa. Okay. You can? Wow. Yeah. That's cool. But we just need a simple signal handler, so signal will work. Can we just use that? You already have Kinesaurus up there. What if we cut that out? Will it produce any? Okay, it does produce warnings. Errors. Este. Este errors. What's the O? Aha! Own implementation. We use our own implementation. This done. Where's there? There we go. We replace everything with MiLa stir 2. Oops. I did just wake up. Should produce snow. Okay. Okay. Why? We do need the canoe source thing. Oh, okay, great. But we did find out that yeah, that's fine. Oh, what is it again? I forgot. Okay, so it is the fall. Okay, there we go. Yes, underscore. Okay, one underscore, and we should be able to do that. Where is that threading? Results. It was in MiLa thread worker. This is unused. Oh, it's not used here. In MiLa H. This FNM use. There it is. Get overload. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just do var unused. There you go. No more warnings. Even if you do make release. I hate that it doesn't have what to do. Okay, there we go. Aha, colored comments. Gotcha. Come on now. Hello. Hello. When are you taking what? I forgot I haven't updated anything yet in my system. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's not that bad. There is. Colored comments. Yay! finally! Yes! Thank you. Does it work for... No. No. Fix me. No. But it does have 42. What's this? Colored comments missing. Allocate a great. Okay. Which then colors the comments? What color of your choice? Oh. So generate color scheme. Mr. Oh, edit color scheme then. What? Where is it? Hello. Okay. No, here she is. Why are you in a different? It's fine. Just. Huh? Disabled syntax. Why? File scanning settings. Skip extensions. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Why would you? These are binary files. Skip directories. Makes sense. Not me. Whoa. Tags. How? Here. Oh, there it is. For what though? So default tags important. Oh. That's good. I what? Okay. So now, what's that? Yeah, there we go. Now it works. Holy, I do not feel good. I feel like I'm gonna. Feel like I'm gonna stumble. I feel like I'm gonna faint. I don't feel good. What the hell is in that coffee? Hmm. Oh yeah, I forgot. You go there. What? What? What's this? So default tags and fire, underline stuff, importance. Name of this code being used in your used. Grammatical error. Stippled underline. I know. Fire. That's an error, isn't it? What is this? What? 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 Whoops. Whoops. What's that? What? Oh, it's because the scope is... Default tags. Okay. 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 Doesn't work. Weird. So it does work there. Was it icon emoji? Do I need to restart that thing? Oh, anyways. So, it works. Okay, that's cool. Oh, there's people watching. There's people watching. Race conditions when cleaning up. Use GDB. Hello. Welcome to the stream. So we have that now. We will now probably we need to define a cleanup. We need to call this, where is it? MiLa global DNet at least once. This. We can't really clean up the threads now. Programming language. My programming language. Yep. Stuff there. No, it's a dynamic array, if I believe, so we don't really need to. Where is it? Registry. Yep. Count and capacity. Yeah, it's very cool until you realize you have to manage everything. Designing the language is the fun part. Implementing the language is the hardest part, and frankly, it's somewhat worth it. It's somewhat worth it, but well, if you're up for the suffering and pain that you will go through, go make your own programming language. So here's where we initialize the stuff, so it would make sense to actually do that. Wait. Simp NNA. Oh, nice. Is it interpreted or compiled? If it's compiled, hats off to you. Nice. Oh, that's good. My programming language doesn't even have bytecode in the usual sense. Mine is shittier, trust me. It uses like ref counting for the memory management, and yeah, it doesn't turn the source code into bytecode. The source code is the bytecode. So yeah, you think this is the cursed programming language I have? Well, look at this. This programming language is, I think, 3 years old now, or 2 years old, I believe. Oh, whoops, I believe it is. It's made in Python, and as you can see, it has lots of stuff. Here in libcore, yeah, this is 1,000 lines of Python code. This is the quote-unquote VM. Oh, shared I don't know how smart pointers work in C, sadly. So yeah, sit term. Under sig what was it again? Sig handler t function. Oh, it's struct. Ah, scheiße. Oh wait, no, it is. Okay, so it is it. Okay. Oh, so it's ref counting. Oh, no. It's automatic ref counting, basically. I see. That's cool. Yeah, that's the problem. It pushes the complexity into. It pushes the logic into the runtime, adding hidden. What is it? Performance stuff. Sorry, I just woke up. I woke up 2 hours ago. Forgive me for my nonsensical dialogue. How do I? So yeah, it's fine. He can find me right under the. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the same problem I have with my programming language right now, and I kind of have a solution, but I don't really use it as much because I do have like a weak opaque type which I can use to box types and avoid them being ref counted. But yeah, it's messed up. You'll see the logic here actually, where you'll see that it's actually reading text, not just like that you just pass the string parsing there. So where is it? Yeah, here. You would see this normally in the lexer, not the parser. Thanks. What language did you write your? Oh yeah, C++. It's not as hard as you think, but yeah, it's like you must first invent the world kind of thing. C plus plus has lots of the convenient stuff, especially its strings and dynamic arrays and vectors and hash maps. I have to manually implement that myself. So yeah, but the plus side is I don't have a lot of dependencies. So I have a copy of miner. Was it LDD? There it is. That's all of the dependencies. So libm and libc and then the usual VDSO file and then this. So it's basically just C. It's C. But the problem is I have to invent the world before actually doing one. Thanks. No one has ever complicated what the hell? No one has ever complimented my code in that regard. Thank you for your compliment. So anyways, handle signal int int signal. So we have signal, so we go switch because why not? What was it again? Sig. Let me just search for signals. What the hell is that? Signals in signal.inch that is platform agnostic because I am tired of writing Windows code. Sigabort fp sigayala illegal instruction sig v and sig term. So this is all the signals that we can handle. So this guy standard macros and okay, so also okay sig the something request is its default handling for the signal, ignore the signal, returned by the signal function if any request strings. Sig atomic t, an integer guaranteed to be accessed as an atomic entity without being corrupted by asynchronous inputs. Note while these signals types are completely program agnostic. How that line? Yeah, I know, no. So I guess we need to go sig term. Oh, sig term. And so how do we? Who cares? We just clean. We just call MiLa global. The init, and it should be completely fine to pass null here. The only problem is, the memory. Asan would complain with this. we need to also free the resources, which we don't actually need this anymore. Oh wait, chotto matte. Why am I talking in Japanese even though it's not that good? Where is it? We don't. Where's some? I know. In it. MiLa in it. MiLa in it. I know I wrote a function. What? Where is it? I know I wrote a function. Yes. Actually, I technically know 4 languages. Tagalog, my mother tongue. English, some broken Japanese, and German. Ich spreche. Why did I? Whoops, ich Deutsch sprechen. Yeah. But it's not good. I stopped learning it a while back. I'm not that good. Yeah. I both know multiple programming languages and multiple languages. Because why not? Where was I going? Oh, I see. It's fine. Trust me, knowing more languages, it's harder to think. Where was I? I was looking for. Yeah, I was looking. Will this work? Okay, it does work. It's for MiLa in it. I'm not looking for. I'm just looking for one. It's 0 matches, so there is no. Okay, so gotcha. Free built-ins. This should just be in MiLa in it. There we go. Because this initializes the stuff. Which oh yeah, no, because when we register, shit, I just realized that's not good. Oh, there's errors. Where is it? Where's the errors? Start up. Capital pointer from int. Huh? You know, right? Well, that's C for you. Can't really do anything about that. Well, first let's fix the sorry, the handler. So we have what signal. We go here, and then we go here. Boom. C term. Wait, how do I? Do I have to manually assign? Oh hell no! Oh, this is for. I forgot. This is for Windows. I hate it. So yeah, I could just. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Can your Vim do that? Can your Vim do that? Yeah, Windows. I hate Windows. Ever since I switched to Linux, it's much more better. Any Linux distro is better than Windows. Yeah. But I'm forced to support Windows because I haven't even tested this on Windows yet. Yeah, Sublime Text. I do have NeoVim and Vim because the more the merrier. The only editor I hate is those sloppified ones with plugins bigger than the editor itself, because what the hell? Why would you need your editor to babysit you that much? All I need is this. That's all I need. Boom. That's it. Why do I have to use a plugin to just write code? To run code. I can compile this from... No, actually I can't because it needs to make file. But I can just hit Control B, it runs it. VS Code, like what? It invokes like its own freaking runtime just to compile a script. Yeah, that's true. But in Sublime Text, you can write you can write your own syntax highlighting for your own programming language, and it's much more easier because it uses regex. You don't need to write your own parser from scratch. Like what? I think I did use VS Code, and I tried to like write Python in it, and I couldn't get the autocomplete to work. So I abandoned VS Code and switched to Sublime Text, and I downloaded Pyrite and and the LSP for Sublime Text, and it's better. It's better. Well, you should. Wow, 4 GB. Well, um, wow, that's what? Eh? I don't believe this. Um, there it is. I still don't believe this. What? .NET got smaller, seriously? I guess it's because it already has pre-installed stuff in Windows, so... Oh! You don't need to mention that. You don't need to mention that, brother. You don't need to mention that. We don't talk about Java here. Not much, but yeah. But yeah, that's the problem. Here, it's the same in the Philippines. Like, dude, Java is dying slowly. Like, the write once, run anywhere isn't a new concept anymore. Python can do the same. Python can do the same technically. So yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. Async version of printf in C, so we don't. Oh wait, what the hell was that? No. So. Why? Why? Why is there global state in... Oh yeah, I forgot that it's a small interpreter. So we use write instead. So sitting out file, okay. We use, of course, but that's stock in Unix. We need to... You've got to be... Yeah. Biggest lawyer... Yeah. No, it's true. Write ones run anywhere, but also write ones debug everywhere. Like, null pointer exception. And don't even get me started on the class names that are like 3 miles long. And the call stack, dude. The call frames, when they get dumped in the console, you need like an ultra wide curved monitor just to view a single name. Like what? Yeah. You can probably access the entire runtime using a single primitive. It's just objects, too many objects for my taste. So we need to we need to define like output. Print primitive. And the problem is we would need to handle our own version of printf for this to be used, because we do use the users have to, fudging hell. Primitive. I guess we have to start from this. If we win 32, was it? This won't even work. We need it to be Windows. Broken. It's fine. No. Um. 2-piece Einstock Scheiße. Why is there no generic? There you go. Okay. There you go. And change that to if def define. If whoops. There we go. Oop. We should no longer have errors, and we do have errors because we didn't. Where was that? 7445. So this. Yeah, we need the right print primitive, but that's it. We need this to fudge. So for Unix, we go here and go right, std out file number. We go here text and then sterling text, and in here printf y. In Windows, how can I safely use printf in signal handlers to avoid corruption? Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking you. No. What is this? Because I want stuff to get cleaned up, to make sure that it's actually cleaned up. Because MiLa global dinit isn't called when you like control C the program. Like, right, Tofa? No. Like, what the hell is this? Why do you need? Why isn't this just a Windows? Why don't you have a standardized file? What? Oh yeah. Like, what the hell? Wait a second. Huh? Even put chart? What? Why? Hey, no, actually. Yeah, we just no, 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 no. I want the users, especially for libraries, to be able to clean up resources. And for like networking, closing sockets properly is a very important thing, especially for low level stuff like in C. You know, Python has mechanisms like this as well to call like a cleanup function before it exits. We need this to run always, no matter what happens, so that the library can finish up whatever it did, closing files, sockets, and whatever I/O it did. It doesn't have sockets, but by default, but it does have this. It has an extension for sockets. It's a simple thing. Yeah, here's all of the functions. That's how you register functions. Look at how simple it is. Look at how simple it is to register functions. It even has HTTP requests. It can handle simple HTTP requests. Here it is for functions, and I believe I do have embed.c. Where is it? I can't. There it is. Why is it? Why are? Oh yeah, alphabetical. No matter the type. Gotcha. Dash o embed.c. Dash lm. Oh wait, no, it does. How it does? Does it? Whoa. Why is it that way? Okay, now it's good again. So mlib no math http, so we can probably just dash I headers because we won't find the headers for the other files. And oh, oops, wrong one. That should nope. Whoops, I forgot we are not finished yet. So this what? Boom, and bam, there it is. It's an HTTP request. Boom. It's fine, especially if your language has a VM, which you probably do because you do have a VM. What? Just a second. Let me just backtrack what I just said. You probably have a more complicated FFI, but that doesn't mean it's bad. Some languages need to have a complicated FFI to make it less, even more complicated, to prevent it from being more complicated. You should see how JS. You should see the FFI API for JS. You could your FFI is probably magnitudes better, more simpler than JS. Oh, trust me, it's not pleasant. For Python, it's not that bad. Yeah, but it's stack based, so you have to pop things off the stack. Especially for Lua as well. My language doesn't have a stack, it doesn't have a register. It just has the values that it needs on the spot. So it can just call functions. This is the there's wrapper functions, but this is the actual function. So you just pass in the value and then the environment in case the function needs this for some reason, which sometimes it does. The argc and then the arg list. Yes, it has closures here. Here's the functions for the in language functions. Here's the closure logic, and here's the parameters. So because this is one pass and I cannot know ahead of time what's inside the function, the user has to manually declare something as a captured value. So in my MiLa, you'll see that here in functions. Was it? Wait a second. Closures and contextuals. What the hell is this? Hello? Let me just disable that. Disable package colored. It doesn't look good, so we're gonna disable that. Hello? Hello? Thank you. So we have the. Oh, I forgot that that's broken. Yeah. So we have closures. Here's how you define closures. Yeah, this is a lambda. There's a closure. It says capture count. That's it. And then it stores it inside itself. So every time you call counter, it increments itself. So MiLa, examples, closures. Yep, there it is. So there's the counter. It's this one. And now we have the contextuals, which is much more different, but it's essentially kind of the same stuff. The difference of contextuals, notice how there is no colon here, because the full syntax is, here's the contextuals list, and then the closures list, params. This is the full syntax. So yeah, we also support type hints because yay, type hints. So you can actually just go here. I don't think it works for these though, but it does. You can just go int, but it won't type check it. It's just a type hint, like in Python. It's useless. So you have to you have to manually declare it contextual though. So at least the user knows that this value might be like mutated or something. And yes, it does support references as well. Contextual. It's because it's based on it's not based actually. I just happened to like rediscover JS syntax. So it's close to JS, but instead of writing function every time, function, you write fn. That's it. So yeah, and I want everything to be explicit, like in C, but not explicit too much. So there's also this. Here's the there we go. So there's also contextuals as allocator. So if a function needs like an allocator, then yeah, it the whoa, I can't talk. Jeez, it inserts the allocator variable into this allocator contextual. So yeah, if you run this, yeah, there it is, allocated 10 bytes. So we can go here and probably, yeah, we can go here, my other allocator, and let's say it allocates twice the size that we need for some reason. We can override it, I think. Or does it error out? I forgot the behavior. But yeah, there it is. It doesn't error out. So it overrides the old allocator. So it's good for like functions that have implicit arguments. It's very what's the word? It's very convenient for functions, especially functions that have allocators. So this feature is actually from, I believe it was from Swift. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, there it is. The using no, no. Was it Scala? It's Scala. Yeah, here it is. Implicit. Yeah, here's the using greeting string. Yeah, here it is. So like in Scala, you do have to say it's given. So now it can, yeah, there it is. But the difference is you can't pass it explicitly. So that's the only thing that I don't do here. Oh yeah, and you can, it also supports catching errors here. errors are propagated as values rather than being separate, a separate like stack, so that it's much more easier to propagate through, and it's much more easier to reason about, especially if you're writing like threaded code, like in here in threads in MiLa, because you don't need to worry about um, global mutations as much. And I don't want a global interpreter lock like Python did have. Because, well, explicitness. I want the users to explicitly handle stuff. That's the problem. You will need threads at some point, because even if you don't like implement threads, at some point you will like realize that concurrency is actually very important in like modern programming languages, which MiLa can simulate. So yeah, here we can run this, but it does like error out sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. Oh yeah, just join, so it will just, yep. And to prove that it does run like in a different thread, what? Oh, I see. What language is it? Oh, yeah, as you can see here, it is. Oh, I see. What's it? Does it have a GitHub? Australia, yeah. Australia, like in the continent. In the actually it is already star. CS is a subject. Uh huh. I see. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. What is it? What happened then? Um. Oh. Wow. So now we should be able to go to. Oh yeah. MiLa can load dynamic libraries easily through the repo. Just doing this. Boom. And then, oh, it did not it did not initialize at all. I need to fix that now. I need to fix that now. It did not. Whoops, wrong one. There it is. Yeah, it did not handle the signal as much as I wanted for it to do. What? So we do that. We do MiLa global d init. Print primitive. This should have worked. CI/CD pipeline? Well, I forgot what that is. MiLa, my programming language. Test sheet. What's this? What's the test suite? Uh, nice. Oh. Ah, I see. Yup. Ah, I see. Hmm. 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 The fun thing is, I think I could do that. Just a second. Um. Why do we fork? Okay, so open a function I want to redirect to. Go to open a function and out FD RFD close. Okay. Okay, we duplicate it to okay, okay, and then execute the command, and then exit. Okay. Uh-huh. And then parent process, we just wait for the PID. Okay. Let's see. But we need to parse the command for that. Oh hell no. FR open. Global redirection currency program. I guess I can do that. So, I could probably write my own CI/CD pipeline. MiLa is not that hard to rewrite, and I can actually write a binding for F reopen. So it's not. It wouldn't be hard, and then I can just check, and I can go F. Wait, can I? Oh, sad. I see. How FM open? Oh, F reopen. No, 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 no. I want to. Hmm. Yeah. So we do P open. Oh yeah, we can go P open. Oh, I see. P close. I see. But yeah, this isn't portable. Sad. So, anyways, where was I? Yeah, writing this stuff. We can't really free the buildings because yeah, that's not a good thing to do. We can do it here though. It didn't print anything, which is weird. Oh, it did not buffer it. It was buffered. Hopefully it was. Okay, hello. Dot load, hello dot so. The quit should trigger. Nope, it did not. You know the cleanup registry. The cleanup registry. It's automatic. So it does this stuff. Where is the cleanup registry? Okay, where's the? Okay, so it's here in global init. Oh yeah, we use so we can. Fudge. It's fine. But we do have global init, so it should have worked. Ouch. Not just survive. Weird. Should have worked. Should have worked. Weird. What? Oh. Where's the github.com/MiLa? What need? This one? Yeah, it's my favorite placeholder word. So my favorite placeholder word is beep, boop, meep, beepus, and meepus. Yep, I did. And I named it after a silly word because why not? Meeps. It's funny to say. I can be stressed while and still be laughing every time I mention meep. Where was I? Yeah, I forgot. The signal handler isn't working. The signal handler isn't working. Oh. Oh. Thank you, Asan. Thank you, Asan. I swear to God, if this works, it still doesn't work. Oof. Oh, why did it get redacted? I know that is so. Boom. It did not clean up. Why did you not work? It's fine. So yeah, I can just go here and go hello. What function? It's a native function, of course. And it says hello from C. Where's hello.c? Where is greet? So, oh, it literally just does that, and it prints in the greet. It just does that. It just prints. Oh no, it did not work at all. Why though? Why did it not work? Weird. So get type name. So if I put here, oh, okay, we'll print the first argument. That's weird. But this should actually return an error. There is expected first argument to the string with int. And that's the error. Print value did not print the value. Maybe because it's not. Yeah, it did not. It was buffered. So, just see there. Maybe if we try again. I don't know why I rebuilt. Compiler. What? Okay. Greet test. There it is. It works now. Yeah, you have to be careful about buffered output. That's why you always put a new line after you print something. Yay. Or just go flush std in. Where's the flush? Yeah, flush. Not std in, std out. So this flushes the output regardless if you like print a new line or not. Yeah, you have to do that manually because yay, C and it's optimizations. So this function is optional. Yep. This doesn't work though. It doesn't print. It's weird. Oh yeah, and you have two ways to define functions. So we have this native entry struct. So it will be a list of name and then function. This is useful for C++ projects that will get loaded because name mangling. Yay! So yeah, this is the most simplest one, and this was made for C libraries. So you can choose between the two, and you can define them both. And MiLa chooses this first. So it prioritizes over this because, well, it's specific. It's more specific than this. It's also good for mangling the name because if this would need this would mean that in MiLa and in C it has to be the same function name. So it would be hello in MiLa and also hello in C, which is sometimes annoying. So we sometimes use this so that you can put any name here and it still points to the right function. And this doesn't work though. I hate it. I hate it. Why don't you work? Why don't you work? Oh, right. I haven't implemented. Okay. Load library noisy. Where's the yeah, here it is, the init. Wow, it should have worked. Hmm. 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 So we have the init function. Yep, should work. Just accept env. Weird. 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 Oh, that's the wrong spell. There we go. Clean up and do that. Char star name is equal to null. And then we free name because we don't really use it anywhere else. We rebuild. And because, yeah, no, it's fine. Hello, not so. We should see. Yep, noted init. What? Oh, whoops. And then, yep, lib init. And then loaded cleanup. There it is. There's the cleanup, but it doesn't get called. Weird. Very weird, isn't it? Oh, it's because we use fprintf. Ah, scheiße. Scheiße. What if we use print primitive? It should work. I don't know, it's weird. It doesn't work. The signal handler does not work. It's annoying me. So here's the signal handler. It's a very simple thing. And then we register the signal. Yep, there it is. Signal handler P. Signal handler T. So yeah. So yeah, it's that. Is because we don't exit. That's true. Let's try that. Maybe it would actually work this time. Nope. Nope, it does not. Why? Why don't you work? It doesn't even print this. It doesn't. Yeah, I don't think it would work. We'll see. Oh, whoops! I loaded this up. And then you can go dot quit. It doesn't. What? We break out. We. Oh. Global. We do that. We need this now. Yes, sir, we do need that. I believe that's freed. Nope, it isn't. It needs to be here. There we go. There we go. So it should work now. I forgot that I renamed the stuff. Yeah. So that should, yep, it does work if you quit normally. In the file though, we do global, not global, yeah, global DNet, meaning that to be global DNet. So we have that. We can go here an example and test live native test. What the hell? Native test dot MiLa. Go that, we go load hello.so, and that should actually work if I go example and native test. So it should like go lib in it and then d in it, and then of course wait, ちょっと待って。 Whoa. Okay. That's weird. We do call MiLa global init here before we run things. Whoa, that's weird. Hi, it's in pathlist free 411. Oh, here it is. Gotcha. It was just a double free. There it is. And as we said, you can just go here and go greet. Hello world. Then we can do that. So the only problem is, oh wait, no, exit is handled. So yeah, receive signal, exited, and then leave the init, and then we can confirm that it did exit with 1, and so that it's not a fluke, we can, oh whoops, now we can do this. Wrong one. There we go. It does exit with 90, so that's good. And if we go report tag exit, yeah, there's, I don't think it's the others are highlighted, right? Nope. So it's not exit test. So it should actually have its own, yeah, test, and then the, yeah, it's 8 because that's the 8th error type, I believe. Yep. There it is. So that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Eh? Should be 1, or we would exit with 0. There we go. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that should be 9 now if you run it again. And it is. That's good. So that if you receive a syntax error, it won't just be 0. So it will actually be non-zero. That's good. And yeah, let's work. Uh-huh. And actually, hello.c, yeah, we do print value. So even if we can go printf, demonstrate that it is low level, and go here and go get string, and it would still work if we recompile. Yeah, if we recompile that, and it still works. So yeah, I hate CIO because why is it so scattered? I just want to write to something. Why do I talk like a clanker? There's no sig all. Okay. Uh-huh. Eh. 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 Answer sig call and sig stop is uncatchable. Gotcha. Sig action. Okay. I hate this. Oh, wait a second. out of all, out of all of the. So, if we have input, what from source, then I can control C, and it still does libd finally. Okay. Okay, I almost said the epic gamer word. Whoops. I almost said like what? It's my default reaction when I see something surprising. I apologize. I do not mean to be racist to anyone, but I almost said the epic gamer word. Why Windows? Why? So to actually be Windows compatible with signals and such, we have to use a flag. Because Windows, like the shitty operating system it is, runs the signal handler as a thread. Why? 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 Windows, why? 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 You could have. I hate Windows. Anyways, just fix this. Nope, not that way. make it much more neater. We don't have align, don't we? Do we? Oh, there. Hello. Okay. I had to click on the name. So, there's no message. So we just, whoops. What happened? Oh wait. Um, what did I do? I unfolded it, but what? Oh, there it is. So it's okay. So that's how you unfold stuff. I think it's cool. I see. I know how to unfold, fold in stuff, but from the sides. I found the I found the key bindings for it. Anyways, how about align? So binding. So Control Alt A. Okay, that's okay. So that's good. So if I go here, okay. Good luck on your assignments. So if we go here, go Control Shift A. Oh, wait a second. Oh great, it's dedented now. Let me just, there we go. See that? So if we do this, Control, oh, Control Alt A. Whoops, I wasn't listening. What? What? Alignment through midline tabs, alignment characters, alignment spaces, alignment prefix choice. There's no comma. Yeah. Dun, dun, will this work now? It is Control Shift A, isn't it? Package settings, alignment, bind, key bindings default. Control Alt A, command alignment. Doesn't let me. What? No, it, okay, so it does there. Maybe if I put it there. Finally. So how about after? No. Oh. Oh. Okay. Gotcha. It should have been a map. It should have been a map, though. Also, midline tabs. Citation is done via tabs. This is true. To also align midline characters via tabs. This may cause alignment issues when viewing the file in edits with different type. Okay, will cause multiple. Okay. So this call. If the inlet level of a multi-line selection should be aligned, yes, it should be. Why would you have single line alignments? That's dumb. Midline characters linked to multi-line selection. Changing this to an array will disable midline alignment. The following characters match alignment, just a space before it in the final alignment. Do this. Do this. So now it shouldn't actually, but it does. It aligns the character itself. What if I don't want to? It aligns the commas. It's fine. I think. Looks messy. Should have been that. What? Can I like see the plugin somewhere? Home config. Sublime text packages. Not complete. User. No. There it is. Ah, scheisse. Wait, no, it's just a zip. It's just a zip, isn't it? Because why not? Just boop. There we go. CD. We're gonna be messing with the configs of my. Not wait. Sublime. Sublime text packages. Install. No, install packages. Yes. Install packages. It's about the yep. That's it. So, where's the alignments? Okay, so if we go, yeah, it's just it's a zip archive, so we can just unzip, align. Sound of a gun. Nande. Oh, come on now. Shot. Oh, whoops. Shot. So if I go here and echo this, Sublime package. Yeah, it's Sublime package. There we go. Unzip. Wait, unzip. We should have like a way to like exit. Okay, so the directory, I guess. So in KDR, auto align, just auto, because why not? And then we go unzip, align, and then dash the auto. Finally, CD auto. Let's have this. Yay! So now we go here in Sublime alignment apply. Okay, so it defaults to 8. Why does it default to 8? Why? Nande. Midline tabs. So settings that get midline tabs. If the equal sign is part of a multi-line character operator, bring the first character forward. Yeah. So these two things are not, yeah, midline. Okay, so align, should be align post, you know, alignment chars, I guess tree. No, post. We're gonna do post. And then tree. You're gonna rename stuff. So this is post now. This is pre now. Because yay. In chars, prefix chars, through that, and alignment chars. So that is this pre. We need to do this before. Why am I modifying the package? It's we're gonna do that another time. It's bothering me that it's not correct. For now, we're just gonna go and disable package alignments and install another one instead. Where's the Sublime align package? Sublime alignment. No. Cause why not? Control Shift P. Oh, okay, let me just check. There's no Control Shift A. Just selects all. Control. Alt A doesn't do anything. So yeah, let me use that. So okay, so right and center and then 0. Oh, that's cool. Specific macro. So here, install align tab. Okay, align package, install package, align tab. It doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Package. Whoa. What the hell? Package control. What the hell happened? That's weird. Did I nuke a file that I shouldn't have nuked because there it is. Multi-align. But preferences, packages, settings. No. Key bindings. No. Fine. Preferences. Key bindings. Hooray. Boom. Wait, what? Just keep on this. Alt X. Oh, that's actually good. Show overlay. Align tab by regex. But yeah, it's not align tab. It's yeah. Versus. Nope. Yep, nope, it doesn't. Yep, it doesn't exist. I know it does exist, but yep, nope. Package remove package remove, multi-align. Ah. Nope, it's not. Let's see if it, what the wrong key bindings, but let's see if it exists. Oh, it does, okay. Package, add repository, boom. Package install, install package. Align tab. Go. Okay. So you should have. Yep. So if I were to like mess up the spacing of this, because why not? And then go Alt X. I'm pressing it. It does not work. It does not work. Process key bindings. MiLa. Just a second. Check my messages. Oh. Yeah, I need to is no a show overlay align tab. Okay, so it let me just skip that. Tab. Bam. Will it work? No. Align tab. No. So this align tab, comma. No. wait. No. I did that. No. That's correct. Align tab. Align tab. There. Handle. What? Why did you add spaces after it? No. Why? Anyways, it's fine. So now we can align stuff seamlessly. That's cool. So easier. So now we can just close this and stuff. I have a headache. Do you have some ibuprofen? I got a headache. Anyways, where was I? So why is that? Okay, let me just drink some. Let me just drink some Yakult. Oh, that's probably why. Oh, I haven't eaten yet. I just realized. So yeah, I think I have to end the stream now. So yeah, I'll just in a bit, I'll end it in a bit. I have to like just. It finally works. The signal handling works. That's good. No, it doesn't work actually. Does it? Wait, no, it did work correctly if I recall. So I forgot the problem. Forgot what the problem was. But oh, whoops. So it does work now. I don't know what went wrong for some reason. So anyways, we do that. So yay. Oh yeah, the official mascot for MiLa will be a gecko. It will be a gecko. It's a gecko. Gekki. I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna call it Gekki. It's 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 silly. It's a silly name. Anyways, where was I? So we have that. And we have the raw opaque of the RNG. Hmm. 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 Mm-hmm. It is always built in, so we don't need to check that. Canonical built-ins version. What? Whoa. What happened? Whoa. Oh, eh? What? Eh? Eh? It's not getting triggered. Okay, now oh, it's null. ID reference null, and Asan did not get triggered. Oh, that's a bug. That's a bug. Yeah. Although I shouldn't probably be. Okay. Hmm. 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 Oh. Whoops. Hmm. Oh, that's bad because it's actually defined here in built-ins rather than. So yeah, it should be here in MiLa. H. Monthly edition start here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So that should be that and patch. I guess what we can do for the this. Oh yeah, forgot to make it longs. For L L L. Hey. Oh yeah. Version built-ins edition not version. Oh, it's what it's this. What? I. There we go. One. No, it's correct. LP. Then what? Who cares? Zero. There's no zero. Cause yep. I don't know why that's a warning and not an error, but oh yeah, compile stuff. And my laptop's not centered. That's good now, and now we go here. Percent 2 and then LD. And then do the same thing. Now the patch isn't. Who cares? There it is. Edition 2026-03 version 1, and then this is the full version string. So now we should go into info. Percent ld dot percent ld dot percent ld. So they're gonna go here MiLa edition, MiLa version, and MiLa patch. So now we can go here and go make bam, boom. You know, it's only 160 bytes for types with user-defined overloads. with value instance operator overloading. It's for it's for primitive for primitive types. For real primitive types. We should update the readme to say that. It's fine. You can't really use the... Oops. Wait, I can just... What am I doing? There we go. Whoops. That's right, right? It's right. Parse string. No, we support that here. So, yeah, we'll do that for, yep. And for you, that's 4 32-bit. That's 8, I believe, yep. Well, you keep switching the wrong one. So this is 8, yep. What the hell? There we go. variables, functions. No, in A. And then not primitives, opaque variants. Oops. Yep. Using the opaque tool. So go. And this doesn't work. I did test it once. Yep, this should still work, I believe. Yep. Wait a second. You don't have ENG remove now, do we? Oh, we do have ENG remove. So, okay, so it does free. Okay, so, okay, that's good. It's good. That's good. It means that and does remove contextual, so we can just. Let's do that. Clean up. This is let's see. Don't do this. There's a typo. How did I not notice that before? Don't know why I didn't. I don't know why I needed to note that. No longer prioritized. So yeah. There it is. Where's the noisy one? There's the noisy one. Yeah, we're gonna remove windows here. Oh, why did I do this? There's new function entries. Why? That's weird. Ah. There we go. Should be no problem. Uh-huh. Ooh. Where? 7496. Okay. Operand number used after format without operand number. What? Operand number used after format without operand. Nope. Nope. So yeah, eh, certainly not that way. It does work. What's the problem then? Eh? Weird. Weird. Anyways. Yeah, it does work. Okay, fine. We'll be like normal people instead. Yeah. So now we just need to book, because yay, repetition. Oh. Overloading via value instance operator overloading VIO, which is faster than, what is it again? I know it. Object. Oh yeah, object instance operator. Then object instance operator overloading. Loading. VIO versus OIO. VIO gives the implementor as much control as possible. Well, IO gives the implementor as much convenience as possible. VIO is a static array of function methods. Function methods which cut dispatch to all of one. OIO is a dynamic object which has dispatch all of an amortized is it amortized? Am I using this correctly? Amortized dispatch VIO uses as less as tries to minimize the amount of process of context switches OIO minimizes low level mental overhead. right in MiLa. No, okay, so VIO gives you access to the allocation. Logic VIO gives you basic arithmetic overloading and Boolean coercion. VIO is perfect for low level for wrapping C types. IO is perfect for convenient abstraction. VIO for speed and control IO for convenience and abstraction. So in MiLa H, we do have that huge table. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So this is the attributes, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, it's in C23. Isn't it? Yeah, it's in C23. Bruh. Sad, but yeah, we use packed. And because it's signed, it's 4 bytes. It gets turned into an integer. And especially because I pass it to function, so it promotes it to an integer, so it's useless. So it becomes an int. Damn it. This also becomes an this becomes char, I think. If we can decrease this though, we can decrease the bytes of the table size, because right now it's 112. Oh, used. Ooh. I guess we have no choice but to do that. So, we do this. So, this is the bin up stuff. It's separate anyway, and there's no bugs. So, Let's do this. So this is what is actually stored. Yep, still works. We do need to implement this. What the hell?